I made a video yesterday about AI agents and I talked about creating an AI agent from scratch. But honestly, you don't have to do that. That was much more like a technical presentation of some sort that I just decided to make as content. And the truth about AI agents is that you don't have to make them from scratch. You don't have to be technical. You can actually just make them yourself. And there are, many ways you can make them. Like right now, I'm in make.com. So make.com is basically, a platform for AI automation, and you can easily, have your own automation up and running in 5 minutes. So they have a bunch of AI agents in make.com. So there is a sales outreach agent, social media comment responder, inventory and order management agent, market research agent, lots of agents. The truth about it is I am trying to get clients. I'm trying to, get people to pay me money to do something for them. And I don't have time to be, so technical and so intentional about it. And yeah, I have an agency. Or I think I do. A consultancy agency, an AI agency. So practical AI automation for startups, build fast and documented openly made to last. I said I was gonna change this, but listen, I'm lazy, okay? That's why I make content to keep myself, accountable. And yeah, automation that removes work, not add dashboards. You guys know what automation is. This is just like, this is like my business card, just to, see what I am about. And yeah, buttonbytes.com, I provide services for automation. It doesn't matter if you're a startup, it doesn't matter if you are trying to automate something by yourself for your business, wherever. I offer the services, and yeah, that's it. And I talked about yeah, agents, and you can build them from scratch. I also hinted about Claude having the same type of service, because you don't have to go to the command line and start doing all of these things. There are lots of services that you can build an agent with, and you can go crazy with them. And Claude also has so the internet is quite slow. So I'll wait for this to respond. But right now I am in a let me see if it is that. No, it doesn't. Right now I am trying to get clients, and obviously I need to do outreach. So I need to, so there's one here that I don't know if you guys can see. Can I zoom in or something? All right. I can zoom in, that's good. So there's one here that says market research agent, an agent that takes a market and the topic, does the research and gives you reports. I don't need to. I don't want to do reports. Okay, I don't want to do reports. I just want to let me explore the library of agents and see what I've um in the library. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, I was talking about agents also. Like there are lots of templates for agent. Lots of templates. The same thing that this place has a library. Cloud Code also has a library of agents that you can use. Everyone has a free account, so you can go to the platform and check for browse for agents. Obviously you need credits, you need like API credits and all of that, but yeah. So I just want to say, if I'm looking for something like outreach, lead inbound, like lead inbound, I just want to search something like that. The reason why this is taking so long is because my Wi-Fi is taking a piece. So all right, the library agent is done. I just want to see what it's about. Okay, so yeah, market research, lead qualification, yeah, inbound leads, personalized outreach. Okay, this is something I want to use. An agent that researches the lead young. Perfect, perfect. And if you have been following me for a long time, you're gonna know I did something like this. Personalized outreach agent, and there is, and the thing about it is like you did not call them agents before. You just call them workflows. You call them workflows, and they did their thing. The reason why this is an agent is the reason why make.com changed it to an agent is because it is an agent, because you're giving it a set of tools, and the large language model is dictating what it does with the tools. So resume analysis agents, yeah, like honestly, I don't the world has gone crazy, okay? And people are sleeping on AI. People are scared about AI, but I don't know. I just feel like it is so powerful. Customer feedback agents, access request agents. Yeah, like it is document agent, automate your document processes, HR onboarding, Q&A, email, like a lot of agents. And this is just in the library. This is just in your free library. And obviously, some requires API usage because, not everything is free. And the thing about like make.com is that if you go to the pricing, I know this feels like an advertisement for uh, an ad for make.com, but that's by the way. But I think it's like, $10 or something per month for the make.com, which is on the cheap side of things. I don't know if they've increased their pricing, but yeah. So personalized outreach agents, an agent that researches each lead in my Google Sheet. And I also made a video about this that, generating leads. Okay, there's nothing here. And that's fine. I just wanted to show you guys like, there are different, platforms can that has a library of agents and you can use their API and whatnot. So Cloud has one, and it's I am pretty sure what's the name? OpenAI, ChatGPT has an agent template, an agent library also, so you can just go check them out. Again, my button bytes automation agency. So I'm gonna try and look at this and just show you guys what. Um, all right, it's gonna load soon. What did I want to say? What did I want to show you guys now? Okay, yeah. Um, Polo, I think. Polo. So this is like no, Apollo AI. Yes. Okay, so Apollo is a place where you can generate leads. You can generate a target. You can generate companies that you want to target for your services, and this personalized outreach agent says an agent that researches each lead in your Google Sheet. So Apollo is just like, a place where you can gather leads, where you can gather, people that would fit into your target market, and you can gather them into a Google Sheet, and you can also, you know, apply this agent to the platform I was actually referring to is not Apollo. I mean, Apollo also, you can also like search for leads and target leads, and yeah. So again, if you want to create a multi-channel, this is just an example. Like you can generate leads with Apollo, but the thing is, I think they're expensive. They're on the expensive side. So instead of using, because Apollo is like a all-in-one platform, instead of using make.com and then instead of using make.com, Google Sheet and all of this, you don't have to do all of that with Apollo. Apollo is just, the platform for you to be able to send emails to all of your leads in one place. But right now, this personalized outreach agent, you have to have the leads in Google Sheets, and then in Google Sheets, you have to have a make.com account, and then you have to also have, Gmail connected or something like that so that I can send emails. And yeah, it's quite, you have to, manually set up the process, but I think with Polo, you don't have to do that. But the platform I actually was referring to is Apify, not Apollo. I kind of mistake them together. Okay, so um Apify is a marketplace basically for AI tools, scrapers, AI scraper for lead generation. And if I say there's a LinkedIn scraper which allows you to search for LinkedIn. I think there's a LinkedIn scraper, I think. So I'm gonna find the actor for LinkedIn. Uh okay, the site is not responding. I don't know if that's as a result of my slow internet or something else. Okay, so this is the personalized outreach agent, and I'm just gonna go through what it says. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use it now, but anytime I get this set up, when I get this set up, not anytime, I should be more proactive because I've been through this process before. I've been through, setting up make.com agents. I've been through all of this. I don't want to have to go. I know the traps I can fall into when I say I will do something and I don't end up doing it. It feels good to say you'll do it and you don't end up doing it. So how to set it up? You create a Google Sheet of your leads, like I already said, with columns, first name, last name, email, website, all of these things. Fill in the lead details and leave the subjects, message sent entry and note columns empty. Yeah, and it's very easy to set up. So if I end up using this, which I think I will use, let me just say use the scenario because why not? And again, as a result of my slow internet, I have to you know wait. So Apify, on the other hand, so I'm gonna search LinkedIn. I don't know if because again it's slow internet, so again lead gen. Yeah, okay. So profile LinkedIn profile scraper. I think this is what I was looking for. Um, LinkedIn profile search scraper. Search. So let me zoom in. Search for LinkedIn profiles with filters and extract detailed profile information, including work experience. Blah blah blah. LinkedIn company. Extract all LinkedIn company employees with filters. And again, the reason why I'm saying LinkedIn is because um okay, Facebook ad scrape Facebook ads from ad library search results and ad runs by Facebook pages fast and lightweight. Okay, so interesting. So basically Apify is just like a place where you can find scrapers to scrape data, to scrape, data for lead generation. Honestly, most likely you're going to use it for lead gen, and I think I'm going to use it also. No, I think I will use it. So again, one of those things that again are just so useful. And I think LinkedIn profile scraper include complete work experience. I think I want to search for like, um LinkedIn website. Am I not spelling it correctly? Oh no, no internet. Great. Fantastic. Lucky me. I need to do something about this internet connection. In Apify, yeah, in Apify, the scrapers are called actors. So yeah, find thousands of ready run actors for AI, web data, or automation, whatever. And the thing is about Apify is you can also connect Apify to make.com, and there are many ways you can use this, and it can be fully automated or you can be manual. Honestly, just use the LinkedIn profile search scraper or the LinkedIn company employee. I don't know which one I there was one I used previously to, extract data, but I don't know which one I did. So I'm gonna have to get back on that. So what I'm basically showing is that AI agents are basically used in, businesses and places, and I also plan on using them. So yeah, this is the personalized outreach agent, and yeah, so here it is. You're meant to set a value here, which is yeah. Okay, you're meant to set like a page guidance. Do you want the agent to automatically send the emails? Variable no. And the page guidance is like, yeah, quick call, demo, whatever. Which makes sense. Makes sense. That I like that. I like that. Um, okay, so personalized outreach. This is like an agent, MCP. Okay, I think I need to research this. Okay. Yes. All right. So you need create a response, which is gonna search the web because I think you're gonna have to um add an email to your Google Sheets. Yeah. So search the rows, Google Sheets, search the web, Gmail, send an email, update the role. Yeah, and then the agents acknowledge. So all you need honestly is create a connection. Yeah. Okay. I think when you create this connection goes to either what's it called? Your large language model provider, I think. Okay, yeah, so close. Yeah. Yeah. So the AI agent is basically any large language model that you plan on using. And you can add a tool. So again, I think in the video I also mentioned that you can, like, AI agents are basically are basically tools that you add. And yes, here we go. So the tools that this AI agent has access to is, searching the web, Google Sheets, Gmail, Goo- obviously Google Sheets, and like an agent's knowledge, which I don't know what that is, honestly. Let's just give it a look. Okay, it's like files that the agent has access to. It's like what's it called in Claude? It's like artifacts in Claude. So yeah, you can add MCP, you can chat with your agent. So yeah, which is actually pretty useful. So again, there are agents everywhere for multiple uses. And I don't even know why I'm saying this, but I want to get a client. No, I know why I'm saying it, but the idea here is to I just want to not be embarrassed of myself and just, you know, pay me to do something, right? That's all that matters. That's what the pay me money and I can, connect your existing infrastructure and then, with AI agents, with automated processes to automate your processes. And the thing is, obviously, it costs money to run these agents, and that's it. That's the point. Like, they are providing a service, so and these services, should be yeah, and you pay for the services. So yeah, these are the tools the agents have access to. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter it doesn't matter um the order of them in this place. So the agent knows that, okay, I need to search the roles first, and then I need to make a search with the email that's in the Google Sheets, and then I need to send an email. And it doesn't matter how it is in order right now. You just know the agent just knows what to do. So um add an MCP connection. Yeah. So again, I'm gonna research all of this, and when I get much more familiar with how to make this work and I like kind of run this by myself, I will definitely make another video on it. So without further ado, Bots and Bytes Agency. If you need automation consultation, I am here and I can actually get to work ASAP. And yeah, Apollo also is like a sales bound kind of let me go to the pricing. The pricing is quite expensive, I feel. Yeah, 49 for the basic is crazy. Like, obviously, if you have the money, definitely. So yeah, 900 per seat, 900 credits per seat per year, granted monthly. I mean, okay, you know what? I might give this a try. I would definitely give this a try to see what I can do with it. So yeah, I like that. So again, this is just one of those um software platforms that you have in your tool belt, just to generate clients. Apify also is underrated, so underrated. And also they have an API also. Like these are not free. You can't just freely search. Like some of them are really, really cheap, some of them are not as cheap. So again, depending on your budget and everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Honestly, AI agents are everywhere, and Button Byte is a place where I can help you integrate AI agents into your system and your software. And yeah, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.